Guys, down here in South Georgia, it rarely gets cold. But when we hear it's coming, we do two things. We insulate the well, and then we turn the spigot on to keep the pipes from bursting. Guys, if you got to waste water, you might as well have fun doing it. So today I'm going to show you how to make some ice and a little bit of snow. On the end of your garden hose, you're going to want a vary nozzle that has both the mist and the shower functions. For coverage purposes, you're going to want to make sure that you get that nozzle as high as you can off the ground. Now it's supposed to stay above 25 degrees tonight, so I'm going to have it on mist. Anything below 25 degrees you'll want on shower. You'll see in just a minute. So we let that mist overnight, and this is what we have. We got some icicles on that old piece of fence, but heck, they're just icicles. So let's move on to the ice and snow. So this is what happens when you have your vary nozzle set on mist and it drops below 25 degrees. It'll freeze the nozzle, it'll freeze your hose, and you'll have to thaw it out and start over. Make no mistake now, this is solid ice. But this is part of the process, and it's looking good so far. Since we know it's going to drop down to around 19 degrees, I'm going to make sure that this nozzle is on shower, and you can see it is doing its job. Each stalagmite that you see there is either a blade of grass or pine straw. So the higher the ice, the better slush you're going to have when this thaws. Guys, if this is thawed by direct sunlight, it will turn to water. But if the ambient air temperature thaws it in the shade, it will turn to slush. So now you can make you a few snowballs and hit somebody with it, or make you a little South Georgia snowman like we did. So now if you live in a region where the temperature and the precipitation won't come together to give you snow, now you know how to make it on your own. Well guys, my name's Domin, and this is 3 Bricks Higher. And this year I've vowed to put out more content on YouTube than I did last year. This channel's all about quality, not quantity. So if you're into that, check back or subscribe, and then we'll catch you next time.